We are talking today about a tractor-trailer accident for this edition of The Law and You. Joining us tonight, as always, attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Thanks for being here.
Hey, we heard you were the big winner at the staff meeting.
Oh, yes. Olympics prize pack I took home, so look out.
Congratulations.
I've got the Rio T-shirt and water bottle, so
all right.
I'll be sporting those at a place near you. All right, here's our question tonight, and this involves a accident here for Joe in West Wyoming. Joe says, I was driving down Route 54 early morning, and I was rear-ended by a tractor trailer. We were hit really hard from behind, and I was injured. The police are saying that the driver of the tractor trailer wasn't at fault, and I was driving too slow. So can that be something that is a problem, driving too slow?
It could. So there are, just as there are maximum speed limits on roads, there are minimum speed limits on roads as well. For example, if you are traveling on the interstate, the speed limit is 65 and there's a minimum speed limit of 45 or 40, depending on the particular roadway. If you are traveling below that minimum speed limit, then it triggers certain duties as of a driver. One, put your hazards on. Two, if you're going that slow, you need to get off the road. The minimum speed limit is there for a reason, because as we're driving down the road, we can fairly assume that other cars are traveling the same speed and not traveling significantly less, which is going to give us less time to react. So it is possible, if you were going well below the speed limit and you did not have your hazards on or pull off the road, then you could bear some responsibility for this particular crash.
And then the issue of speed will have to be determined, if you were actually going below the speed limit. A lot of the vehicles, you didn't tell us what type of vehicle you're in, but a lot of vehicles have black boxes in them that they will download the data, and it'll tell what the speed was before and the collision. Also, the tractor trailer has it, so they'll be able to determine all that, and then they can kind of figure it out with scientific data, not just people saying, hey, I think he was driving too slow. But there are duties, there's obligations to, for everyone to be safe on the road, so make sure you know it. I think this minimum speed limits have to be posted too, but
They do.
It depends on the roadway. You got to really take a look at it.
Yeah, it depends on the roadway.
And I know with car or tractor trailer accidents like we're talking about here, that's what you guys really focus on.
A lot of tractor trailer work.
Our viewers that need help, how could they reach
Just call 570-714-HURT. See us on the web, 714hurt.com.
Yeah, and we're actually handling a case that's in the reverse, where the tractor trailer was going below the posted minimum speed limit. So it's an area that we're well versed in, know the law on this particular subject really well. So
just
give us a
tractor
call.
trailers in general.
Results matter. Attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. See you next time.
You got it.
PAHomepage.com and the Law and You hotline are always open.